Good morning guys, we're group 3 consisting of BUESALIDA, Caraan, and myself, De Luna. Today we are presenting solid and hazardous waste, understanding types, effects, and proper practices. By the end of this lesson, students will be able to identify the types of solid and hazardous waste, explain their sources and effects on the environment and human health, demonstrate proper waste management practices to promote sustainability. For our introduction, what is waste? Waste is any material, substance, or byproduct that is discarded, unused, or no longer needed after a process activity or consumption. It can come from household, industries, agriculture, or institutions that may be solid or hazardous. Or in short words, for you to understand, waste is what we don't need anymore. But how we handle it is very important for our health and environment. And in some way, our economy as well.
For the types of waste, first is solid waste. Solid waste is any discarded or unwanted non-liquid material from homes, schools, industries, and institutions. Proper management of solid waste involves segregation, recycling, composting, and safe disposal to protect health and the environment. Examples are plastic, paper, food scraps, glass, and old clothes. Next is hazardous waste. Hazardous waste is any dangerous or potential harmful material that can cause health problems or environmental damage if not handled properly. Proper management requires safe storage, labeling, treatment, and disposal to prevent pollution and protect human health. For example, batteries, paints, pesticides, medical waste, paints, and motor oil. Next is types of solid waste. First is biodegradable waste, which are the waste that rots or decay naturally, like food. Non-biodegradable waste, waste that doesn't decompose easily, like plastic. Next, recyclable waste. Recyclable waste are waste that can be used again, like papers or cans. Last but not the least, residual waste, waste that can't be reused or recycled.
Type of hazardous waste. Number 1. Chemical waste. Contains harmful or toxic chemical such as an acid, pesticides that can damage the environment and harm living things. Number 2. Radioactive waste comes from material that emit radiation like nuclear plant waste, which can cause serious health and environmental risks. Number 3. Flammable waste includes substances that easily catch fire such as gasoline and alcohol and can lead to explosion or fires if not handled properly. Number 4. Toxic waste consists of poisons, material that are dangerous to humans, like animal and plants, and contaminated soil and water. Environmental effects: air, water, and soil pollution. Improper disposal leads to pollutants seeping into our environment. Next, harm to wildlife. Animal can ingest or become entangled in waste leading to injury, poisoning, and habitat destruction. Health effects. Disease from pests can contaminated water. Waste attracts pests like rats, mosquitoes, which spreads diseases. Next, respiratory problem and poisoning. Burning waste can release harmful toxins into the air. Next, mental health effects. Living amidst unmanaged waste can cause stress and anxiety to us. Social and economic impact. Flooding from clogged drains. Like, kamusta na DPWH? Asan na yung flood control na pinangako nyo? Waste blocks drainage systems leading to flooding during heavy rains. Next, unpleasant smell and poor community image. Piles of uncollected waste create foul odors and make community look dirty and unclean. Poor living conditions. Overall, improper management results in unsanitary and unsafe living conditions. Waste management hierarchy. The 5 R's of waste management. Number 1. Refuse. This means saying no to products or materials that you don't really need that can harm the environment. Number 2. Reduce. Reduce means being mindful or how much we buy and use. Number 3. Reuse. Instead of throwing things away after one use, we can find new ways to use them again. Number 4. Recycle. Recycling involves processing used materials like plastic, glass, and metal in turn to new products. This reduces the need for new raw materials and save energy. Number 5. Recover. Recovery focus on getting energy or useful materials from waste that cannot be recycled. This thing can be done through processes like composting, organic waste, or generating electricity from non-recyclable materials.
Next is proper disposal of solid waste. This means throwing away garbage in the right and safe way to keep our surroundings clean and protect the environment. This includes segregating waste properly, recycling waste that can be reused, composting food or garden waste, and putting trash in proper bins or collecting areas. By disposing of solid waste properly, we can prevent pollution, avoid diseases, and make our community a cleaner and healthier place to live. Here are the steps to proper disposal of solid waste. First step is segregate waste at the source. Second, compose biodegradable waste. Third, recycle plastic, glasses, and metals. Fourth, collect and transport waste properly. And for the last one, use sanitary landfills or controlled incineration. Next one, management of hazardous waste means handling or storing and disposing of dangerous waste safely to protect people and the environment. This includes identifying which wastes are hazardous, like chemicals, batteries, or old medicines, storing them properly in labeled containers to prevent leaks or accidents. Treating or recycling them safely is possible, disposing of them in special facilities made for hazardous materials. Good hazardous waste management helps prevent pollution, protect health, and keep our surroundings safe. Here are the steps to manage hazardous waste. Number 1, proper labeling and containment. Number 2, safe storage and transportation. Number 3, specialized treatment before disposal. And lastly, the most important, follow government laws like RA 6969 or Toxic Substance and Hazardous and Nuclear Waste Control Act of 1990. The role of individuals and community in waste management. Every person and community has an important role in keeping the environment clean and healthy. As an individual, we can reduce, reuse, recycle, and throw garbage properly in the right bins. As a community, people can work together to keep the neighborhoods clean, organize cleanup drives and recycling programs, educate others about proper waste management. By doing our part, both individual and together, we help protect nature and make our surrounding a better place to live. Here are the practices that we can do. Practice segregation and recycling, participate in cleanup drives, support eco-friendly products and programs, and lastly, educate others on waste management.
For our summary review, here are the key takeaways. Two main types, solid and hazardous waste. Improper waste handling harms health and environment. Apply the 5 R's for effective waste management. Quick question. What simple actions can you do daily to manage your waste properly? Conclusion or call to action. Let's be responsible. Proper waste management starts with you. Small actions leads to a cleaner, safer world. Reminder: segregate waste properly, recycle and reuse, and spread awareness.